चलो जी नच लगा लो पकड़ किसी की रिस्ट एंड वी ट्विस्ट वी ट्विस्ट वी ट्विस्ट वी ट्विस्ट एंड वी ट्विस्ट वी ट्विस्ट वी ट्विस्ट वी ट्विस्ट एंड वी ट्विस्ट वी ट्विस्ट वी ट्विस्ट वी ट्विस्ट एंड वी ट्विस्ट वी ट्विस्ट वी ट्विस्ट वी ट्विस्ट
Run the track and nobody look back. Them say.
हेलो गाइस, हम लोग पहुंच चुके हैं। कहाँ पहुंचे हैं? वैसे 5 बजे निकलने का प्लान था, इसके वजह से 7 बज गया।
सबसे पहले तैयार हुआ था ना, नहा धोया के।
अरे तुमने पूरा लेट कर दिया यार, मैं कब से वेट कर रहा था तुम लोग का। जर्मनी जर्मनी जर्मनी।
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again, when I see you again. Why'd you have to leave so soon, yeah? Why'd you have to go? Why'd you have to leave me when I needed you the most? 'Cause I don't really know how to tell you without feeling much worse. I know you're in a better place, but it's always gonna hurt. Carry on, give me all the strength I need to carry on. It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again, when I see you again.
Damn, who knew? All the planes we flew, good things we've been through. That I'll be standing right here talking to you about another path. I know we love to hit the road and laugh, but something told me that it wouldn't last. Had to switch up, look at things different, see the bigger picture. Those were the days, hard work forever pays. Now I see you in a better place. See you in a better place. How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I would do, you were standing there by my side, and now you gon' be with me for the last ride.
It's been a long day without you, my friend.
कितना आगे यहाँ से?
ज्यादा दूर नहीं है ना?
मतलब मिल जाएगा ना?
चलो ठीक है, बाय।
टाटा। अरे और भाई कहाँ जा रहे हो?
भैया अपन तो जा रहे थे यार, एक ही बताया यहाँ पे झरना है।
अभी हम डंगरी वाटरफॉल के बहुत करीब हैं। यहाँ बहुत कड़ी सफ़र के बाद हम लोग कमर सीधा करने के लिए यहाँ रुके हुए हैं। बस यहाँ से ज़्यादा दूर नहीं, यही रास्ता है, सीधा ले जाएगा 2 किलोमीटर आगे।
वो तो बच्चों ने रास्ता बता दिया, इनके भरोसे रहते तो शायद हम जम्मू कश्मीर में।
वापस शंकर नगर लेके जाना था। ठीक है, काफ़ी अच्छा नज़ारा है, मस्त। अब यहाँ से 2 किलोमीटर दूर है, देखते हैं वहाँ पहुँच के हमारे साथ बने रहिए, देखते हैं कैसा प्लेस है। वीडियो में तो देखें काफ़ी अच्छा है। अभी से खुश एकदम, पता नहीं। चलो चलो, कम ऑन बॉयज, बहुत करीब है। नाइस बॉय, कम ऑन, चलो पहुंच गए। कम ऑन स्पोर्ट बॉय, चले। आप डायरेक्ट मंजिल में जाकर रुकेंगे।
See you again.
See you again.
We've come a long way,
Yeah, we came a long way
from where we began.
You know we started.
Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again.
Let me tell you.
When I see you again.
Have you ever loved someone so much you giving on for? Not the expression, no, literally giving on for. When they know they're your heart and you know you are their armor, and you will destroy anyone who would try to harm her. But what happens when karma turns right around to bite you, and everything you stand for turns on you to spite you? What happens when you become the main source of a pain? Daddy, look what I made. Dad's gotta go catch a plane. Daddy, where's mommy? I can't find mommy. Where is she? I don't know. Go play. Haley, baby, your daddy's busy. Daddy's writing the song ain't gonna write itself. I'll give you.
चलो ये झरना लाल झरना है, यहाँ से 600 मीटर आगे अपना मंजिल मिल जाएगा। देखते हैं, इतना मुश्किल का सामना किए हैं, अब उम्मीद है कि अच्छा ही जगह होगा।
Long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began.
मुझे भी दिख रहा है, मुझे पूरा नहीं दिख रहा है, थोड़ा थोड़ा दिख रहा है। जिसका मुझे इंतजार बहुत मुश्किल से। अरे साला, इसके लिए इतना मशक्कत किया हमने यहाँ तक पहुँचने के लिए। तो और करीब से देखते हैं कितना रोमांचक है। ऊपर से चलते हमारे साथ बने रहिए, कैमरामैन के साथ बहुत ज़्यादा।
About it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
See you again. I'm gonna see you again. See you again. My friend, where'd I begin? Looking back now, know you hear me, wanna see me smile. Hold me down, keep me safe when I'm down, not a sound. Never since you was a child, always had your back to now. Should've kept the circle round, now it's like you're not around. Used to run it through the town, toughest little dudes around. Always thought you have a daughter, sure to teach her what they taught us. Had a son, he getting smarter, every day more like his father. Know this game and keep it solid, present faith, know you got it. If things come back again, but it ain't the same. I tell myself, remain the same and keep it sane. Know it's hard when your dog can get a ball with you. Seemed like yesterday we was all in pictures.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
This is Black Music.
First you both go out your way and the vibe is feeling strong. And what's small turn to a friendship turn to a bond. And that bond will never be broken, the love will never get lost. And when brotherhood come first, then the line will never be crossed. Established it on our own when that line had to be drawn. And that line is what we reach, so remember me when I'm gone. How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I went through, you were standing there by my side. And now you gon' be with me for the last ride.
Let the light guide your way. Yeah. Hold every memory as you go, and every road you take will always lead you home. Oh, it's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.